Good evening guys, welcome back to One Life. Thought I'd do another quick tutorial today before it goes dark. I'm going to show you guys how to remove the front seats in the Fiat Grande Punto. Reason being is the common problems you get with the electrics under the seats with the seat belt warning. So there's a pressure pad which knows if you sat in the seat, and if that fails, your seatbelt warning noise goes off more than anything. And I don't know if you guys know, but these cars have the noisiest seatbelt warning light dings or whatever you want to call them. So I'm going to get in a sec and show you guys how to remove the seats. It's a dead easy job, a quick video. I think it's literally just 4 bolts and disconnect the electrical bit. So we'll pop in the car and show you guys now. Right, so I'm starting off with the seat in its full back position, and we'll tackle the front 2 bolts first. So you've got one here, just an Allen key, or is it a star? No, it's a star Torx bit, so I'll tell you what size that is in a second. It looks like a 30 or a 35, and one on the other side. It's a bit dark that, I'll turn the light on in a second. So we'll go and get the tools, I'll show you them. We'll start taking it apart. So to undo the seat, you're going to need a TX40 bit. So it's a Torx bolt or Torx bit size 40. And I'm just using a ratchet with a drop down bit and a socket which is a 1/4 inch. I'm not sure what that is in metric. And like I said earlier, you've got a bolt here. So I've already started on doing that one, so I'm going to go around first and crack all 4 bolts. It's not a magnet bit, so it keeps falling out at the end. Got another one on the other side of the seat here. That's that one loose. So when you've loosened the front 2, I'll slide the seat back. If it's a 3-door, well, they're all 3 doors, these aren't they? Pop it forward, and you've got 1 and 2. That one's still got a little cap on it at the back. So I'll undo those 2, and then we'll have a look at taking the seat out. Right, sorry guys, it's not a bolt like at the top, it's not a capper out, it just must be a rivet top. So the bolts on the side nearest the centre console, there's 2 of them. There's one there that I've already taken out a bit, sort of tucked away underneath the rail, and another one that I've just took out, a bigger one. They're both still TX40s, but that's sort of got a bigger head on it. Must be a bit of an adjuster or something. So that's the back of the seat, sort of nearest the centre console, you can see there. It's just tucked under there, and all the others are just in the rail itself. Get those off and we'll get the seat off. Right, so I've undone all the bolts, and as you can see, the seat comes completely loose. So I'm going to lift that out of the car. And these Fiat seats are quite light, like I just sort of manhandle it out with one hand here. Sort of twist it around, pull it straight out the back of the car. Now it is as easy as that, and that is your seat out. As you can see, this is the passenger side. If you were doing the driver's side, it's exactly the same sort of system. The 4 bolts and the 5 bolts altogether, and the 2 little tucked away ones on the side nearest the centre console, so that'll be down there somewhere on the back. But on the driver's seat, I think there's a wire. I thought there was one for the passenger seat, but obviously not. You know, I learn sometimes doing these as we go along. But if you're doing the driver's side, there will be a wire for the seatbelt alarm. So just be aware of that, so you don't sort of yank the seat out. Just be on a little clip underneath the seat. Be easy enough to undo. That's about it really for this. Just put the seat back in. You just want to put it back into position and screw the bolts back in through the rails. You can see here, that's where the 2 side ones are. the seat out the car. One thing I will say is just be careful when lifting seats in and out. They can be quite heavy. They're not too bad on this car, but on some cars I've done, they're really heavy, so be wary of that. And that's about it for this video really. Dead simple one on how to remove the seats from the Fiat Grande Punto. If you've got any suggestions for future videos, please let us know in the comments. I'll do what I can to help. Other than that, that's it from me guys. If you're new to the channel and you like what you see, hit that subscribe button, give the video a like, and I'll see you again soon. Peace.